Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to fix FPS drops in League of Legends. So here's my League of Legends. Right click on it. First, let's try something simple. Go to File Location. Okay. Here, click on Riot Games, select League of Legends, and then right-click the X file. Click Properties, go to Compatibility, and check these boxes here. After that, click OK and then Apply. You can also try going into the Riot client itself, open League of Legends, click Settings, select League of Legends here, and click the Repair button. There, this might help. Now, if none of that worked, then type Game Mode in Start, then go to Game Mode Settings and turn it on. This also optimizes your PC for gaming. There you go. Hope this helped you out. That's all for now. This was everyone. See you later.